안녕하세요 여러분. 토익스피킹 알려드리는 마리아쌤 왔습니다. 여러분 슬기로운 경기생활 잘 하고 계신가요? 저도 이렇게 집에서 교재 연구를 하고 토익스피킹 연구를 하면서 하루하루 보내고 있습니다. 자, 이번에 여러분 토익스피킹 모의고사 두 번째 모의고사를 준비했는데요. 자, 한번 지금 이 소개 영상 다음에 이어지는 모의고사 영상을 한번 풀어보시고요. 나는 이 문항이 대답하기 어려웠어요를 댓글에다가 몇 번을 꼭 풀이를 해주세요를 좀 달아주시면 그거를 보고 참고를 해서 베스트 3를 뽑아서 그 문항을 제가 풀이를 꼭꼭꼭 집어서 해드리도록 하겠습니다. 네, 자 그러면 모의고사 열심히 한번 풀어보시고요. 이 문제 어려웠던 문제 번호 댓글로 한번 남겨주시기 바랍니다. 그렇게 해서 여러분하고 계속 소통하면서 이어나가는 마리아 토익스피킹 마토스 되겠습니다. 자 그러면 이제 시험을 시작합니다.
Maria's TOEIC speaking class. Part 1. Directions. In this part of the test, you will read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then, you will have 45 seconds to read the text aloud.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now. Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now.
Maria's TOEIC speaking class. Part 2. Directions. In this part of the test, you will describe the picture on your screen in as much detail as you can. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 45 seconds to speak about the picture.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now.
Maria's TOEIC speaking class. Part 3. Directions. In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions. You will have 3 seconds to prepare after you hear each question. You will have 15 seconds to respond to question 4 and 5, and 30 seconds to respond to question 6. Imagine that ABC National Donation Organization is doing research in your area. You have agreed to participate in a telephone interview about donating money. If you were donating money, would you prefer to pay by cash or use a system via mobile phone?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Which one of the following would be more likely to convince you to make a donation? Radio advertisement or a flyer in the mail?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Which one of the following are you more likely to donate money to? An organization for art and culture. An organization for sports teams. An organization for small businesses.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Maria's TOEIC speaking class. Part 4. Directions. In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions based on the information provided. You will have 45 seconds to read the information before the questions begin. You will have 3 seconds to prepare after you hear each question. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 7 and 8, and 30 seconds to respond to question 9.
Begin preparing now.
Hi, I am interested in enrolling a course at your cooking school. Before I register, I want to check some details. How much does it cost per course? And when is the deadline for registration?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
As far as I know, the course on baking will take place on Tuesdays. Is that right?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
My daughter wants to take a cooking class. Could you please recommend me any classes for beginner level?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Maria's TOEIC speaking class. Part 5. Directions. In this part of the test, you will be presented with a problem and asked to propose a solution. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then, you will have 60 seconds to speak. In your response, be sure to show that you recognize the problem and propose a way of dealing with the problem. Maria's TOEIC speaking class. Part 5. Practice 2. Hi, this is Mike, the store manager. As you know, our newest laptop model was supposed to be released tomorrow. Our company invested a lot of money and we added a lot of features. Many people are expecting to see the new models in person. However, I just got a call from the manufacturer. I learned there was a problem on shipment. The delivery has been delayed. I am worried that people might be disappointed if they can't see the products in stores. We need a plan to encourage customers to visit the stores instead of the competitors. How can we make people come to our store even though they have to wait? Please leave me a message with your ideas. Again, this is Mike.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Maria's TOEIC speaking class. Part 6. Directions. In this part of the test, you will give your opinion about a specific topic. Be sure to say as much as you can in the time allowed. You will have 30 seconds to prepare. Then, you will have 60 seconds to speak. Maria's TOEIC speaking class. Part 6. Practice 2. Do you agree or disagree with the following statement? It is important for a job candidate to ask a lot of questions to a potential employer during a job interview. Support your opinion with specific reasons and examples.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.